All right, welcome back to the shop. We're going to stuff this motor in the 90 Mustang. Not going to get it running because we have a fuel system that we have to complete first, but at least we can get it set in our new engine bay. Well, I got our new engine off the engine stand. It weighs 350 pounds. That's with the aluminum heads and everything. I'll insert the clip of when we weighed this one, the original motor, without the aluminum heads. Basically, a complete small block Ford. It even has oil in it. 410 pounds. So the old motor was 410 pounds. This one's 350. So that's 60 pounds lighter than the old motor. And that's just the difference between aluminum heads. Everything else is the same. Okay, we're almost in place. I have a motor mount over here that I should be able to get a bolt started in. And then we'll be able to get the rest of them in place. Not easy with one hand, I'll tell you that. Let me set you up. Okay. So I got that started. So I can let it down just a little bit. Okay. Let's see what that looks like. I think I can get the back one started on this side. Okay, those are started. Let's see what this other side looks like. Boy, we're sitting right about where we need to. Let me get those ones started. And we'll get the cherry picker out of the way. Wasn't sure how well that was going to balance. Just sitting on the motor mounts. Not bad. So there it is. Our freshly rebuilt 302 that we did, I don't know, I bet it's almost been a year. So it's got Keith Black 2cc dome pistons, AFR 185 heads, X303 camshaft, all new bearings. Yeah, should run really good. Now that work that we did on the engine bay sure pays off. Definitely looks nice now. There we go. Motor's in. Short video, super easy. Probably only been out here 2 hours. but I definitely think it looks better than it did before. So I'll overlay a couple pictures of what the engine bay looked like when we first pulled this, and then you can see the difference now. So next will be the fuel system, and we got some wiring to do. But the wires have been tucked, so now I have them behind the wheel wells. Everything will be basically like this. We'll have a wire running to the MSD distributor, and then off of our alternator, we'll have some wiring. But that's it. Should look super clean. Thanks for watching, everybody.